This is a quick video with a few main functions of the S866 LCD. I have posted the link to a more comprehensive video done by another guy in the description. This video is just the main settings though that I think you need. To increase the speed, simply hold plus or minus, scroll through to P8. As you can see, it's set to 25. This will go all the way up to 100 and all the way down to 1. 100 being the max, 1 being the minimum. P11 is assist delay, so how much work you want to do before it helps you out. This goes from 1 to 24. So the lowest is it'll help you out as soon as possible, and the 24 is it'll wait a while. P12 is acceleration strength, so 5 being the strongest and 1 being the weakest, which will get you to the speed slower.